Hi boys and girls, back again for more special sounds. This time, R. He is so bossy. Have you watched your videos about bossy R? Poor vowels. They just get bossed around all the time, don't they? Oh well, I guess if they didn't, we wouldn't know how to read big words, so it's okay. But bossy R changes the sound of a vowel. Usually, A says ah when there's only one vowel in a word. But bossy R makes him say the pirate sound, R. So AR says R in stars, not stars. The A and the R together say R, stars. He bosses around poor little O also. Now I'm gonna cover that up. Usually if there's one vowel, O would say ah, wouldn't he? Marn. But when he's with an R, O and R together say or, mourn. And ing, here's a little jump ahead to later in the year. Ing says ing, morning. So OR says or in morning. AR says R in stars. Let's try to read a word off of each of these. Let's see. OR, there it is. So it will say or. I think or is a sight word, isn't it? I think it is. Or. So let's do it. Born. Born. How about this one? Or. North. Very good. You could pause it and try to sound out the rest of these with or. How about R? A-R. A-R. R in stars. Let's see if we can read some of these. R. Arm. Farm. How about this one with ch? Let's try it. Ch. Arm. Charm. Oh, you are so charming today. You are being very charming. All right, A-R and O-R. That bossy R, he changes sounds. See you later.